Wow, that's it. Good job. You know how to skin off the salmon.
We got two 6-inch pieces here. Now, let's see how many. I can probably eat about 3 or 4-inch pieces here, and the rest of this is going to use for like breakfast. Make for breakfast, or we can bake this.
Ooh, that's so yummy.
Now, we got to make the stuffing.
What stuff?
We got to use regular, not whipped. 1 egg, whipped. 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Half a cup of baby spinach cooked with excess liquid squeezed out. So you gotta.
You're cutting the salmon.
Here.
Cut in the middle. Yep.
Look at this.
Is there any way you can cut in the middle something? Jane, can you stop poking my leg? Ah! So this is the guilty here. Someone's poking me. And what is this? This is spinach?
Spinach, I'm gonna boil it.
Oh, okay.
Boil it, drain it.
And this is crab meat, cheese, mayonnaise, egg. What is this? Pepper?
Red pepper.
And then
Diced red pepper.
Parmesan cheese. And this is the recipe. Someone's following me. Someone trying to poking me. He won't stop. I don't know why he keep poking.
There we go.
Jane, can you stop? What do you want? You want to cook also? Hmm? You want to become chef? What do you want, Jane? That's my dog. I go to the other side of the island, and then she keep following me, scratching my legs. Oh boy, now it's bird.
Water, a bowl of water.
Bowl of
So
water.
I'm gonna boil the spinach.
Oh, it's boiling already.
Teaspoon Old Bay. Tea salt, black pepper, panko. Your breadcrumbs, right?
Yes, I bought 2 bags.
Preheat to 350.
That's it?
Let that boil.
It's boiled already.
Yeah, let it boil a little bit.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna be overcooked. Alright, that's olive oil.
Put this stuff in.
This is the olive oil.
Cheese. Mayonnaise. Egg. Old Bay seasoning. How much?
What's that?
Teaspoon. Teaspoon. pepper.
That's a lot. I think that's a lot of
Oh,
stuff.
we got a lot of fish here. You
Huh?
stuff it inside and on top.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of stuffings, huh?
Alright. Spinach. Crab meat, make sure crab meat is well drained. Mix gently. A little bit of pepper. Fan's blowing all over. A little bit of salt. Now,
So you have to put on top only?
yeah. Put it inside, we'll put it on top.
Okay. I think we can put more. Wow, you did it. Good job.
Yeah, that's it.
Are you gonna squeeze the lemon?
I'm just gonna put a little bit.
I think that
A
lemon is
little
so.
seasoning that I like.
You squeeze it.
Yes,
Use the fork here, honey. You know, squeeze in the middle. Look at that. Squeeze with lemon. Looks so yummy.
let's see there. That's it.
All right.
Get a nice
Oven is
lemon
calling
flavor.
you.
Bake. Real good.
Oven set. Let the salmon come in. Time to bake. Chit, 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 chit. All right, it's 3:50 already.
Oven's ready.
Ooh. That's good. How many minutes?
20 minutes. Timer. 20. Start.
That's it.
Yep.
How many minutes? 20 minutes?
20 minutes.
Salute.
Salute.
Salute. It's a Riesling DR. This is good. So good.
Are you ready?
All right, timer's off. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Hold on. Wow. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at this food.
Yep, spinach stuffed salmon.
Gosh, this is so yummy. Look at that. You have to remove it.
Yep.
There you go.
Nice and easy.
Nice and easy. Looks so yummy.
That's
Mmm.
right. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
That's the fruit of your labor, honey. Good.
Mm-hmm.